Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and we're looking at the Milwaukee battery charger. This one will do the 18 or the 12 volt, and there's a few common concerns, so we're going to talk about those today. Today we're looking at the 3.0 battery here, and so this one's brand new, so it doesn't have much of a charge on it at all. So when we put it on the cradle, the first thing you'll notice is as it slides on, you might get this red and green flashing light. So when those lights are flashing, it can indicate that you have a damaged or faulty battery pack. However, in this case, the battery wasn't fully seated. So watch as we put it on now. It really takes a little bit of force to get it on there. I know it's brand new and you're a little worried about it, but make sure it fully seats. Now, we were still getting the light flashing red and green, so we unplugged it, as the manual said, for 2 minutes and plugged it back in. Now you'll hear this audible hiss. Everything that we've found shows that this is actually a normal sound. Everything that I've researched, I called Milwaukee. They weren't very helpful as far as being able to tell me if the sound was normal or not. But just so you're aware, everything else that I'm seeing is normal. So obviously take the precautions that you feel are necessary. If you don't think it's right, take it back to the store, call customer service. But the research we found is the same sound coming from other people. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you're safe out there. And if you have any concerns, make sure the battery pack is unplugged. Don't leave it plugged in. Don't leave the battery on the charger, whether it's being charged or not. So check the video description. I'll put updates to this and other tool reviews and everything that I do. So that's a good place to look. Thanks, guys.